In order to choose the most flattering lipstick for your complexion, it can be helpful to pick a shade according to your skin's undertones. First, identify your undertones by looking at your face. Be sure to look at it without any makeup and while you're in natural light, using a handheld mirror if necessary to see the tones in your skin up close. Another way to check your undertones is by comparing your skin to a piece of white paper. Stand in front of a mirror and hold up the sheet of paper next to your skin. If your skin looks pink or rosy by comparison, you're cool toned. If your face looks more yellow next to the paper, your undertone is warm. Finally, if your skin looks peachy, neither yellow nor pink, when compared with the paper, you have a neutral undertone. Cool undertone individuals are best suited to lipsticks that have more bluish or purple undertones, like cherry reds or berry shades, while those with warm undertone skin are flattered by more reddish or orange-hued lipsticks, like brick red or terracotta. If you have neutral undertones, any shade will be harmonious. Once you've determined what works for you, simply apply the lipstick of your choice and have fun with your look.